Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can kick someone from your private server in Roblox on PC and mobile. So let's get started. If someone is causing problems in your Roblox private server and you want to remove them, there are a few different ways you can do it depending on the game you're playing. First, check if the game has a VIP or admin menu. Some private servers include special controls that aren't available in public servers. Open the VIP or admin menu, select Kick Players, choose the player you want to remove, and then click Kick. If the game doesn't have those options, leave the game and go to the Roblox website. Find the game that has your private server, but don't launch it. Instead, open the Social section by clicking the icon with two people. From there, select Join Friends or Join Connections and locate your private server. Click the three dots next to the server and choose Configure. Now disable the Friends Allowed option. On some accounts, this may appear as Connections Allowed. This prevents certain users from joining your server. You can also check the server members list. If the player appears there, click the Remove button next to their name and confirm the action. Keep in mind that if the person is on your friends list, you may need to keep the Friends Allowed option turned off or remove them from your friends list if you don't want them rejoining. To instantly remove everyone from the current session, go back to your server settings, click the three dots, and choose Shut Down This Server. This will end the active server session and disconnect all players. Anyone you've removed won't be able to join back. That's it. You now know several ways to kick someone from your Roblox private server on both PC and mobile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.